RainBar with Burst Combo by Oxygenics. Installation with stud. Before beginning installation, read the installation instructions thoroughly to ensure you have all the parts and tools required before installing the RainBar and Burst Combo shower head. First, cover the drain with a cloth or towel. After the drain is covered, using a stud finder, locate a stud in the ceiling above the shower arm. Mark the location of the stud using a pencil. Remove the mounting plate from the RainBar housing by applying light pressure and sliding the mounting plate from the housing. Place the mounting plate on the ceiling with the A side facing down and toward the shower wall above the shower arm. Then mark the hole guides near the mounting plates A and B sides using a pencil. Using the included 30-inch hose, place the end of the hose to the marked hole location closest to the shower wall, and place the other end of the hose near the end of the shower arm to ensure the hose will reach when installed. After checking that the hose will reach, remove your existing shower head by turning in a counterclockwise direction. Remove any remnants of old plumber's tape and flush out the shower pipe for 5 to 10 seconds. Wrap plumber's tape clockwise 3 or 4 turns around the threaded end of the shower arm. The diverter can now be installed onto the taped portion of the arm by screwing in a clockwise direction. No tools are needed, just hand tighten. Before proceeding, please put on eye protection. Using the marks on the ceiling as a guide, drill holes with a 1/8 inch drill bit and a power drill. Remove covering from the adhesive strips on the mounting plate. Hold the mounting plate near the pilot holes with the A side facing down and toward the shower wall, directly above the shower arm, ensuring the guide holes align with the pilot holes. Gently apply pressure to the mounting plate to temporarily secure the mounting plate to the ceiling during installation. Using a screwdriver, install the supplied 1.5-inch screws through the mounting plate guide holes and into the pilot holes. Next, install the rain shower head by turning in a clockwise direction onto the RainBar housing. Hand tighten only. Holding the RainBar with the installed rain shower head away from the shower wall, align the edge of the RainBar housing with side A of the mounting plate. Push the housing onto the mounting plate, then gently slide the housing toward the wall until fully seated on the mounting plate. Place the set screw in the hole located in the middle of the RainBar housing. In a clockwise direction, install the set screw with 3 or 4 rotations until flush with the housing. Next, wrap plumber's tape 3 turns around the threaded ends of the diverter. Attach end of the 30-inch hose to the top threaded end of the diverter and attach the other end of the hose to the threaded connection of the RainBar. Hand tighten only. In a clockwise direction, screw end of the 72-inch hose to the lower threaded end of the diverter. Hand tighten only. Thoroughly clean area where the wall mount will be applied. Now that the area is clean, remove the covering from one side of the supplied adhesive strips and apply to the back of the wall mount. Remove the covering from the adhesive strips applied to the back of the wall mount. Next, press wall mount firmly to the cleaned area on the shower wall for 30 seconds. Remove the back covering from the dome sticker and insert the dome sticker into the hole on the front of the wall mount. Attach the end of the 72-inch hose to the base of the handheld and hand tighten. Lastly, insert the handheld shower into the holder. Congratulations on installing your RainBar and Burst Combo. You can now experience a truly unique rain shower experience in the comfort of your home. Oxygenics, now that's pure shower genius.